Have you ever wanted to create your own enchanting miniature fairy garden? These charming little landscapes are a delightful way to bring a touch of magic into your everyday life. You're in the right place to learn how to create your own enchanting miniature fairy garden. To begin with, gather all the necessary materials. You'll need a container, potting soil, petite plants, and of course, an assortment of miniature fairy garden accessories to bring your magical world to life. Now that you have all your materials ready, it's time to start creating your fairy garden. Start by filling your container with potting soil. A good, nutrient-rich soil is the foundation of your miniature fairy garden. Spread it evenly, ensuring a smooth surface to start your creative journey. Now let's breathe life into our fairy world. Begin by planting the small plants. Consider using a variety of flora to add depth and character. Tiny ferns, succulents, or mosses can be perfect choices. Remember, it's your world. There's room for creativity. Next, it's time to add the fairy garden accessories. These could be anything from a tiny fairy house to a miniature picnic table or even a small bird bath. Arrange them in a way that tells a story, perhaps a fairy tale of your own. Just like that, with a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of imagination, you are not just potting plants. You are creating a world, a miniature ecosystem. And voila! You have created your very own enchanting miniature fairy garden. Creating a miniature fairy garden is a fun and rewarding activity. We've journeyed through selecting the perfect materials, crafting our enchanting landscape, and finally, breathing life into our magical sanctuary. The beauty of this DIY project is in the freedom it offers, to let your imagination roam and create a world that is uniquely yours. So, keep experimenting, keep creating, and let your garden of dreams blossom. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy DIY projects like this one.